In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up a task with mouse tracking. First, let's preview the task and see how it works in action. In this task, participants are asked to decide whether the image presented on the screen is a mammal or a fish. Between each trial, the participants must press the next button in the middle of the screen. This next button ensures the participant's cursor is in the middle of the screen for the start of each trial. We are then collecting the mouse tracking data on this mammal or fish choice screen. To see how this has been set up, let's look at the choice screen in the trial display. On the choice screen, we have the image which we want participants to view and two text objects, both with click responses. By having the objects with the click responses, this will ensure that our data is recording the responses the participant clicks. We can press the in-screen play button to ensure the responses are being recorded correctly. Then, on the Screen tab, we have added a mouse tracking component. In this component, we have the option to toggle on Record Coordinates. If this is toggled off, you will only have the values in the response duration and the proportion column of the data file. If this option is toggled on, Gorilla will record a stream of all the mouse coordinates in a separate file accessible from the data. Or, when running your real experiment with participants, this data file is accessed from the Download Experiment Data button on your experiment's data page. This file records the XY position every time the mouse is moved. You can find more information regarding these data columns in our link support documentation. Finally, we want to ensure that the participant's mouse is in the center of the screen at the start of each trial. We have implemented this functionality on the center mouse screen. On this screen, we have added a Continue button in the center with a Click to Continue component. Participants must click this button to proceed. This will ensure the participant's mouse is positioned appropriately at the start of the trial. Now this is all set up, we should preview the task again and download the subsequent data files to ensure that all your responses have been recorded correctly.